Working on this O2 ZR600. You may have looked at this and say, hey, that looks really familiar. It's in your other videos. It's crazy because it is. Today I'm actually putting in these Snow Pro bracket and straps. Now I looked these up on, it'll be available from a 2000 ZR440 Snow Pro or cross country or snow cross versions. They do not give mounting holes or locations. I kind of struck out when I built my King Cat because I was using a Snow Pro hood, and the Snow Pro hood from 03, the Z440 Snow Pro hood, excuse me. But what I found out is that it had mounts where to drill your mounts at. Not the, maybe the one below, one of the two. These ain't fun news. By the way, these are, drill these out with a 5/16 drill. Excuse me, a 5/8 hole. How big they are. And I got these straps from, of course, eBay. And I located it, and it was right in the middle with my calipers. It said it was 5/8, so 0.625. I kind of eyeballed these. Sorry. We have a mini bike squad here in town. But anyway, so I kind of eyeballed all pictures and stuff I've seen of 01s. This is an 02 ZR600. Same, basically the same hood, with differences, because like this one here, it doesn't have the half moon cut into it for the shocks for the rear, for the front arm, I believe, shock or adjustable rate shock. Now the cross country over there does have it, but this one doesn't. So anyway, I basically did an eye match here, just eagle-eyed it, I guess, and got pop ripper in and everything. I had to go make some more pop rivet. So anyway, let me show you what I did. Now this is my guide right here. It's my template. So basically drilled a hole. I don't know how big a hole I drilled for the hole for the pop rip to go. So I'm gonna use my old drill here. Okay, so changed my mind, and I use the drill bit center punch. I know you guys are out there swearing at me up and down, left and right, up, midway, sideways, whatever. Like, you're doing it wrong. I don't care. I'm doing it wrong. I'm just doing it right my way. Okay, so I'm going to take the hole. Harbor Freight does not make, some of the tools do not make the grade, that's for sure. So anyway, it's the center punch drill bit. Now I'm going to go over and grab my stuff and get ready to put this one on. So, let me explain what I did here. I heated up a crowbar down there, that end down there, because I used a template that I made, I copied off of, just a piece of the bracket. This is what I'm putting in, guys. There, that's all it is. $20-something for two of them from Articat, and she needs really thorough cleaning. In I really haven't done it in a while, but hey, whatever. So this is I'm gonna take this back up. I'll open the hood back up, and once I get this hole marked out here, I'm going to see where we're sitting at. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm doing here in a minute. Also, what you might notice too when you're going on this side of the drill holes, remove the piece of coverage of the foam if you can. Remove it out of the way. I'm just gonna put seal tape back here. Reflective tape back in. Okay, so this is what it turned out to be when I'm all done and finished here. And I am up. See that hook over there? Try to I am up as best I could. I didn't though. These are both Snow Pro items. So I just drill out a slot and put in a pop rivet, and I use 3/16 pop rivet. Either aluminum or steel will be fine. This was, I think, a quarter. I remember right. I think this was a 1/4 inch drill bit, and what I just put this here. It's a 1/4 inch drill bit, and this here I use I'm looking at the top and bottom of the latch. So I just used that crowbar I was telling you about crowbar, and heat it up and melt the into the crowbar, and made it about the same size for a slot. So yep. So and they're easy. Yeah, really good. That was really good. So I guess thanks for subscribing. Hit the bell, the like button. Be sure to subscribe. We're not doing this stuff for money. We're just doing it because we like to. You know, I restore things and I like to show what I do. So anyway, everybody have a good night and thank you for watching. Like I said, subscribe, ring the bell, and we got more summer content of winter stuff coming through. So working on the lawn boy as well. So everybody have a good night and thank you for watching. Bye.